Hello everyone and welcome to
Sports Buzz.
I'm back and I'm here to talk to you all about the UEFA Europa League final 2020-21. So it is Villarreal and Manchester United that have made it to the final. Everybody expected to see an all-English final here as well. Looking at the Champions League final, it is Chelsea and Manchester City that have made. So people thought that it would be an Arsenal versus Manchester United final. Unfortunately, Arsenal dropped out and it is Villarreal who have made it to the final because Arsenal failed to qualify. They failed to beat Villarreal in the semi-final. On the other hand, Manchester United outplayed Roma in the second semi-final, and it is Villarreal from Spain and Manchester United from England that will be playing the Europa League final this season. Talking about both the semi-finals as it went by, Villarreal and Arsenal. Arsenal obviously were expected to win this tie, but the first leg was held in Villarreal, and there in the first leg Villarreal prevailed over Arsenal 2-1. But most of them believe that Arsenal would definitely make a comeback as they've been trying to get back to the Champions League for the past 5 years. So unfortunately, they tried and tried. Aubameyang hit the post twice in the semi-final, but and it didn't go in. All they needed was just one goal to make it to the final, since they had an away goal already in pocket. But Villarreal held their nerves till the end and maintained a clean sheet. They also couldn't score in the away leg. And anyhow, since they had the upper hand of 2-1 lead, an advantage of that, the second leg ended 0-0 and Villarreal prevailed to the final. Talking about Roma and Manchester United, the first leg was held at Old Trafford in Manchester, where Manchester United dominated throughout the match and they won 6-2. In second leg, it was expected. Roma have had a good history of comebacks in the European competitions, but unfortunately, it didn't happen this season. They played really well. They won the match 3-2 at their home. But since Manchester United had a bigger advantage of a 6-2 lead in the first leg, the overall aggregate ended as 8-5 and Manchester United prevailed over Roma and have made it to the final of this season's edition. So coming to the final, what are the predictions for the final? It's Villarreal versus Manchester United. Villarreal are made it to the first European final. They have never been in any European final competition before. If you look at the reaction, they were so happy and they deserve to be in the Europa League final. They played really well. So this is the first European final, and they will definitely be wanting to make it to the Champions League because looking at the La Liga, it's already Atletico Madrid, Real Madrid, Barcelona, and Sevilla that have booked their slots already for next season's Champions League. For Villarreal, this is the only hope if they have to make it to the Champions League for next season. They have to win this final. Talking about Manchester United, they have been having a trophy drought for around many years now. They've not been able to win trophies. And as you know, this is a big name, it's a big club. Trophies are demanded by the fans. Ole has been looking good for the past 2.5 years, ever since he took over as the manager. He's been looking good. But he's failed to win a single trophy, and this is his best chance. Having lost around three semi-finals, I suppose. Yeah, we have lost three semi-finals. He broke the semi-final drought, the jinx. He broke the jinx this season, and he's made it to the final. Let's see if Manchester United can finally lay their hands on this trophy. It's a good chance. They have a very good team, lots of potential players with good experience, big names as you know, Rashford, Cavani, Bruno. They can always lead from the front, and also the experience of David De Gea. He'll definitely start, is what I feel. He has to start this final. It's a very important game. So my prediction would be Villarreal nil, Manchester United 2. So I back Manchester United to win this final 2-0. It's my prediction. I may be wrong. But let the best team win. If Villarreal has to win, let them win. They deserve to win. If Manchester United is going to win, it's good. So this is my prediction, and let's see how it goes. Thank you for your time once again with me.